Welcome to another episode of Brunkin Outdoors. This is just going to be a quick little video that I've got some maintenance I need to do on this camper, so might as well film the shenanigans, see what happens. I got to replace bathroom vent cover on top of this thing. I never done this before. I don't know what I'm doing. I watched a video on YouTube, 20 seconds of the 3-minute video. It's simple enough to get up there and figure it out. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to climb up here, see if I don't fall off and die, and see what it takes to get this new one on. So stick around, hang out, see what happens. All right, so we've climbed up here. This is supposed to be there. You can see our previous one has exited the chat. I don't know what to do here. Really don't. So we're gonna figure it out. That goes this goes here. So what we're gonna do is go inside, get the keys for the camper. I'm gonna come in here. I'm gonna raise this little handle down in here to start to raise this up. Holy crap, this top is filthy. I should have thought about that beforehand. So we're gonna go grab a couple things and we'll be back. All right, so I've gotten a few tools. We got this cranked up. Got an old seat cover from the car to try to not get this black. It's all over myself from the roof over here. All right. This needs to come up through here. Now, I did see a video that I watched 20 seconds of. So the easiest way is to just break that. Cut it, snap it, whatever. So that's what we've done. And we got that out. All right. So now I need this in here. Seems like a retention clip. All right. So we got that on here. Really? I think I need to get this under here first. That was really hard. Just, slid right in there. See why I didn't do this earlier? Why get it done? You can put it off. Wow. Look at that. Almost. Not quite. Almost like I know what I'm doing. I'm just putting that retention clip on that other side. I don't know where it goes. But I know where it looks like it should go. I'll move that microphone so we're not smashing it while we do this. We got these little wheels here on the new one that I need to bend down. Hold it into place. One. There we go. So we haven't used this hybrid in last 2 years, this year or last year. The reason was because it's too expensive. It's too much to tow in the truck, gas, cost of towing is just as much as the cost of renting the camping spot for the whole week. So we haven't really camped because it's just been more expensive to get the camper there than it has been to actually camp. We did have a pop-up camper before this hybrid that we liked a lot. We thought we needed more room. We did, but not really. And now we're thinking of going back to a pop-up. So we will get on down here. Now that we got our roof and vent in place, we're ready to get on back down here. That was a quick 5-minute job that I've been putting off. I don't know. 6 months now? That's the whole point of this channel, is to do things that take a few minutes of work that I've been putting off for too long. I don't know why. Lack of motivation. So, we'll climb on down here. We got one more job to do in here, and that is fix a toilet valve. We've got that part inside. We'll throw our tools. But since we're working on this, let's go wash up real quick, grab our toilet valve, and see what we can do on that. All right, so we're ready to climb up in here, take a look at this bathroom. That was our lovely roof vent. I need it replaced. Hey, it closes again. That should help. Next project is this here toilet. So as you can see, we usually just use this as storage. But so as you can see, the roof vent has let in some rain and dirt that we don't want in here. We do usually use this as a storage. Usually only use the toilet. Fortunately, the toilet valve is busted. So our next job is get this toilet out of here, get that valve replaced. So this can be operational, we can get it cleaned up, and we can possibly get it sold off, trade it off. I would like to get rid of this camper, get a drivable, well, Class C, Class B, I don't know what they're called. Get a drivable camper, maybe an older one. Take it on some road trips, take it on a poverty tour. I don't know. Well, we finally got the old one out. It was a process. The toilet no longer wants to unbolt from the ground to get this replaced. So it was a lot of fat guy in a small space. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other one, try to put it on. I'll maybe film it when it's done, but I'm dripping sweat. It's hot. Cramped quarters. It doesn't make for good filming for anybody. All right, well, we got the new one in here. I destroyed the toilet a bit to make it easier. This is the third valve, second time I've replaced this, so I don't want to have to do this again. We got dirty, we got gross, it needs cleaned more. But we've got a new valve. We've got a new cover. That was the goal for today. It's done. It's knocked out.
It was too hot. I was way too sweaty to record an outro to this, so thank you for watching. Check us out next time.